person waiting. That's the elevator questions. This person weight is 700 Newton. It's on an elevator going up with acceleration of 1.5. So on this person, what force? Gravity, 700 Newton, right? And then support from the elevator, like pushing this person upward. And this person, along with the elevator, will have acceleration of 1.5.
Okay.
So again, F is the total force. Right? The question
Is F minus what?
700 Newton.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
So the question is asking you what is F. And the mass you don't have, but you can calculate, is the person is 700 Newton. So the mass will be divided by G. No?
So the mass will be the force over the gravity?
The G. For example, this thing is 1 kilogram. And when you put it to Newton, how many Newton is it?
Okay.
It's times 9.8 or 10
Right.
times G, right? If we put this person, they gave us Newton, 700 Newton. So if we put this person to mass, divided by G, and then times A, that's mass times A, right? Plus 700, that would be the total force. If you calculate, because here is, for example, you take 10, here is 1.5, would be 1.5 times 70. So it's 105 plus 700, so it's 805 Newton. And so it's 0.81 K Newton. Correct answer will be B.
Okay.
This one is you only need to consider
Mhm.
the y-axis. There's no axis involved. And number 7. 5 kilogram mass is attached to the ceiling of an elevator by a rope. That's the ceiling. The mass exerted on the rope when the elevator has an acceleration of So it's asking you what force does the mass exert on the rope. So it's the same thing as asking you what force does the rope acting on the mass. According to Newton, I can remember number 3. So if I push the table with 10 Newton, in the meantime, table pushing me back, 10 Newton, right? So it's the same thing. And right now we know acceleration is 4 meter per second. If we analyze this object, it has a force, a tension force from the rope, and then itself has gravity, mg. And the total force will be P subtracted by mg, and then into it will have an acceleration. Understand? Okay. So the question asking you the T plus mg. The m is 5. Acceleration is 4 plus, if we take as 10, the g is 14, 5. So it's like around 70.